Ooh, you see that? What's up everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be making a slime. Yeah, so what do we need? We need water, food coloring, white liquid starch, white glue. Elmer's glue is more preferable. See, Elmer's glue. It is more preferable. You need a mixing bowl and a mixing spoon. Yeah, so this is all we need. And let's get started. First, you get the bowl down. Then you take your water, you put it inside. Next, you take the glue. So we try to let the water and the glue like same amount. So let's put it inside. Okay. Yeah. So next thing you have to do is you put the food coloring. Today we'll go with green because most limes are green. So let's go with green. Put it inside, like few drops. I think that should be good. Yeah, now let's mix it up. Okay, not slimy yet. Okay, it's not slimy yet. See. Okay, like let's keep stirring for a little while. Okay. Now let's put the starch. So we'll try to make the liquid starch like same amounts. So okay. Let's see. Ooh, you see that? It's becoming a slime. Yeah, so after mixing for a while, let's just take out the spoon and there you go. That's a slime right there. Okay, you see? Yeah, that's a slime. That's cool. Yeah, so that's how to make a slime. You guys should go make this too. See how slimy that is. So cool. If you want to learn how to make a slime, you can watch this video again and share this video. So for people who want to learn how to make a slime. So again, all you need is water, the glue. Elmer's glue is more preferable. The food coloring, liquid starch, a mixing bowl, and a mixing spoon. And you can get all this at Walmart. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please click the red subscribe button and subscribe. And you can also go to my description to follow me on my social medias. And I will see you all in another science experiment. Thank you so much for watching. Kamsahamnida. Annyeong. Slimy. Ooh.